what is multi-step chat? It enables businesses to automate high-volume customer interactions to drive smarter, more efficient experiences. So what does that really mean? That means that we can, as Michael showed with an agent-attended chat there, we can also deal with large regular queries, large regular contacts, but in a more automated manner where we don't need to tie up an agent to do it. There's no value maybe to tie an agent into doing the response. Or we can do some hook-ins into APIs and dial out to other platforms and things like that. So we can be a bit more intelligent, a bit more clever about it. And obviously, at the end of the day, we may also want to tie a multi-step chat into an agent-attended chat as well, right? So there's nothing to say that we can't run both at the same time, and that one can't lead on to the other, and they can completely play together. So there's a lot of interplay between them. So automation-driven application, this, like I mentioned just now, this is around being able to service a majority of customers with the most ease, right? So where we have a customer who's maybe asking about what's the shipping status of my recent order, that's something that could easily be done without an agent being there. It could easily be done through a multi-step chat. And if we look at some ways that this can help your business, then we'll see here on the right-hand side, as I've mentioned, it can free up the agents to answer only the complex and the delicate questions where there might be customer services situations. You need to keep a customer happy because they've had a bad experience, so you want to maintain a level of attention on them. Make sure that your agents are in the right place and that they can actually deal with those types of customers where they're needed more, rather than the large throughput type Q&As. It improves average handling time because it's a 24/7 type service. This can run all day long, every day of the week, and it just means that people can get answers quicker, more easily, more effectively during their contact. This leads to things like enhancing the customer satisfaction. Everyone knows that we love a CSAT, right? CSAT is a great metric because it shows us as a business what can we do better, how can we service our customers better. And we always see that when we add automation into chats and give customers the ability to self-serve, that increases that CSAT level because they're able to get the answer themselves. They're not waiting in queues or as long in queues, and they can just, like I said, can get the answer whenever they need to, maybe at midnight on a day on Sunday, right, when actually you're most likely not going to have an agent about. Their customer wants to know a piece of information. And it allows you as an organization to manage your budgets and reduce as much cost as possible. Like Michael said earlier, right, we know that the average cost for a voice call is in the $5 $5 to $6 or $7 kind of bracket, and that can kind of go spiral quite high if you don't if you don't pay attention, if you don't try and deflect customers to a more adequate channel for that query.